Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam. Let's say hello na siya.
I want dog food.
Okay, good job. Abang, why you didn't come last Saturday? Were you sick? Yeah, Abang was sick yesterday. Last Saturday. What is that? Did you get fever? Yeah, are you good now? Okay,
May
Abang.
mga masakit.
No.
Enggak
Are you
dong.
sure? No, it's alright.
Satu.
Oh,
Oh,
batuk.
yeah, okay.
Ay, langsung buah lah.
Emang bagus.
Oh iya iya iya.